Hello guys. So in my last video, I had told you, maybe last video on Nasdaq, or before that, maybe 2 weeks before that, I told you that when Nasdaq broke below this, the people were calling for all-time low. And I also told you guys that in the coming days, Nasdaq will go above and break this trend line, and then people will call the all-time highs. So the time has come. Nasdaq has broken the trend line, and now everybody is bullish. So I think this is not going to happen. It's not coming. I think it will do something like this, and then this to 16,000, and then something like this, and then upside, or a total decline. So we need to see about this thing when this dark blue is what the dark blue is doing over here. But right now, because the trend line is broken and everybody is calling for whatnot, maybe 20,000, 25,000 Nasdaq, so it will do something like this to 16K, and then decline. So this is what is going on. And in the ES, so the bottom was nailed by my dark blue indicator, and now it should do something like this, and then this, and then decline, and then upside. So something like this should pan out. So we have to see about this thing, this decline. But right now, this is how it should pan out. And whenever a significant bottom is made, Nasdaq goes up in 3 waves. So it went down and broke this bottom, and then Nasdaq went up in 3 waves, and now it has gone down. So what should Nasdaq do? It should go up in 3 waves. So, but what has happened? It went down, and then it went up. It broke this bottom. It broke this top. So it broke this bottom, broke this top. So I think what should happen, that because it has broken this top, so it should go down in 3 waves, right? And this 3 waves decline will be the part of this 3 wave up move which should come. So this A, B, C. So some sort of ABC is going to play out, and then one more decline. So I'm sorry to say, I don't think so that we are going to straight to 20,000, 19,000, whatever, because for this huge up move, the time factor required is much larger. So it should do a complex correction before the upside. And over here, some big crash can come, like big scary crash can come. So I don't know, but we have to wait for this, and then upside. So I will check the situation over here when it is over here, or it is over here. But right now, I think this is not going to play out. I think it should do something like this, and then this 16,000, and then decline, and then upside. So we need to check about this also, how deep it is going to be. So because it has a potential to go and test this bottom also, but we need to see. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. I'm not calling all-time high, all-time low crash yet, because I'm a piece by piece trader. So I don't care whether it goes here or goes here. So, but I think it is going to do something like this and this. These are the next two pieces, and then this, or a continuation of this, and then upside or upside from here. So we have to see, but do something like this, and then Also, this fractal is something like this. If you observe that this, and this decline, and then upside, decline upside, and followed by a decline. So I expect something like this. So we have to see, and then upside. So we need a pullback to go long. ES would make a beautiful head and shoulder. And it would be a smart place to long over here. Till here. Nasdaq. Nasdaq also the same thing. So anyway, we have to see piece by piece. So just because a trend line is broken, it's not, nothing is going to change, because trend line was broken over here also. 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 So nothing is going to change. Trend line was broken over here also. Flat trend line. Trend line was broken over here also. Trend line was broken over here also. So trend lines are nothing. We need a pullback to do this. The next piece. Okay, guys. If you found my video useful, then please give my video a like and let me know if I should continue posting regular updates. And please leave a comment if you find my content useful, because I don't have the motivation to keep posting daily. So like my video and share a comment. Bye-bye.